Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Facebook Marketplace in order to purchase something or list the item that you want to sell. In order to go to Facebook Marketplace, type in facebook.com/marketplace, then enter. Or you can just click on Marketplace icon from the left tab on your homepage. Here you can see all the local marketplace listings. You can find the item that you are looking from the categories option at the bottom. If you like any product, you can send message to the seller and start chatting. You can see all the marketplace messages in inbox. If you want to sell or list something on Marketplace, then click Create New Listing button. Add picture of the product you are selling. Then add title, description and price of the product. Make your title catchy and appealing to make your ad more attractive. Add tags, location and other details. Click Next. Check the Marketplace option at the top. If you are satisfied with the post you have created, then click Publish button. Now your Marketplace listing is live. Click on Insights to see the numbers of views and clicks your post has got. If someone messages you with the product inquiry, you will receive that message in Facebook Messenger inbox like normal message, but it will be titled Marketplace to avoid confusion. This is how you can list an item on Marketplace and buy any item from Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.